Hey, what's up, guys? Your favorite chef is here. My name is Ned, and you are watching Cooking is Easy number 4. In today's episode, we're gonna prepare brisket with goat cheese, wine vinegar, strawberries. Am I say strawberries? Yeah, strawberries. First, what we need to do is to slice strawberries on the dices. Just so they be all the same. It will be much prettier. So put in the large bowl, let them for a cool down because our hands are so soft and so hot. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So after we did all that, we need to put the spices. I'll put all the ingredients in the description, and it's just a pinch of ingredients. So mix all the ingredients with strawberries and then put the balsamic vinegar in the pan on the medium heat for 5-6 minutes just to change a little bit of texture. And then we're gonna all that of balsamic vinegar put in the mixture with strawberries, and we're gonna stir and then let to cool down and be like 6 more minutes just to feel the taste. Strawberries, you know what I mean, guys. That's nice, that's really nice. And the next step is to put the toast on the pan. You need to put just a little bit of olive oil or all you want to use it. I want to they be like soft but a little bit hard. I know there are briskets that they need to be hard so much, but trust me, this is better combination. After that, we're gonna put on the plate and then spread the goat cheese, spread on the every brisket, and then you're gonna spread the whole mixture with strawberries and balsamic vinegar, and that's all, guys. I hope that you will enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in next episode.